Hi everyone, this is Haley Hillsman. I wanted to make a quick tutorial video for you about the Kahoot game that we will be playing today at the Bill of Rights birthday. I've had a couple people reach out to me and I figured this was the easiest way to get this information to you guys out the fastest. So I'm in our guidance document right now and I'm going to click on the link for our game. And it's going to take me to the home page of our game. Please make sure that you're signed into your account. They're really quick and easy to make. From this page, you're going to click play, and then you're going to click teach so that we can run a live game in our breakout room. Once we click teach, it's going to take us to the page right before we get to the login for the game. We're going to click classic so that the students are playing one-to-one on their own. You don't have to click any other button on this page. And then it's going to set up the joining screen. From here, the students are going to go to www.kahoot.it and they're going to use the game pin and their first and last name. Please remind them to use their first and last name so that we can properly give out prizes at the end of our session today. And they'll join the game. You'll see their names pop up on the screen here. Give them about a minute to join. I can promise you most of these kids have probably played a Kahoot before. Once they've all joined, you're just going to click start and it will start the game. The students have 20 seconds per question to answer. Once that 20 seconds is up, there will be like a statistics page that will come up for that particular answer showing the correct answer and how all the students answered. At that point, you can go over that question with them and talk to them about the amendment that applies to that particular scenario. This is a really user-friendly platform, but if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And thank you so much for joining us today. I know it's going to be an awesome celebration with these kids. See you guys soon.